Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're walking into the Briarly. This is their 2-bedroom. This is in Houston, Texas. Let's go see this model right now. So pretty. So let's walk in and take a look at it and see it. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous apartment. You can see here some really pretty island that's got room for 4 big stools. Man, it's just gorgeous. Look at this kitchen too. There's a lot of cabinet space in here. There's a full pantry that's in there. That's pretty cool. Take a peek in that. Oh, no, sorry. That is actually not a pantry. That's actually a closet. And there's a pantry over there. Even cooler. Love seeing this. All these cabinets, there's just so much room. There's a really cool, really pretty backsplash that's there. I love that backsplash. And then just love everything I'm seeing. All the appliances are new, really pretty. That's an ice maker over there. And then this is the living room. The living room space is really adorable, very pretty. Feels super comfortable. It'd be fun to have some people over here. And then you can see there's 2 bedrooms, and we're going to tackle those on the next video, those 2 bedrooms. Also, if you go out here, there is a beautiful balcony. Let's look at that balcony right now. Take a peek, and here it is. Really pretty balcony. Good space here. I like the space. There's definitely room for at least 2 chairs out here. And then, by the way, in the previous video, there's awesome, some really great floor-level apartments with great spaces for pets. So if you want to have a floor level with a pet, they actually have turf there. That's pretty cool too. So anyway, this is what it looks like in the living room and kitchen of the Briarly. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now we're going to do a part 2 video. We're going to go into the bedrooms.